Hi there, it's Sarah. Did you know that Datagroomr is the only Salesforce deduplication solution that uses machine learning to analyze your data and identify duplicates? Our algorithms have been trained on millions of records from real organizations and have consistently been proven to be more effective and accurate in finding duplicates than standard filters. But some customers still need additional controls to select fields and train models on their own data. Datagroomr's Matching Models does exactly that. This is the first of a two-part video series covering matching models. In part 1, we will demonstrate how to create, train and apply customized machine learning models for your datasets. You will find matching models inside the SUPERVISR module under Objects section. Click on this section and then on the object for which the model will apply. This window allows users to create new models or work with the ones that already exist. Let's start by creating a new model. In the field area, you can add fields individually or load them from both Datagroomr defaults or existing Salesforce matching models. For this example, we'll select the default set and then make some modifications. Datagroomr automatically picks a comparison type based on the field, but you can change this by using the pencil icon. Here we will switch the email field to an exact comparison, which means that the values must match exactly, rather than something close. Now let's assume that for this dataset we are not interested in the address, but the phone numbers are valuable. Once you are finished with the model, there are a couple options. You can press Save, which will store your changes and allow you to return and make additional modifications. Or you can press Train to begin the training process. Once the training process begins, no additional changes can be made, although you can always clone the model. Cloning and other advanced topics will be covered in part 2 of this video. Let's press the Train button to begin that process. The reason models need some training is that the underlying process still uses machine learning and requires a small subset of the data to be reviewed by a person. In general, the entire process of creating a model should take 10 to 30 minutes depending on the number of fields. On the next screen, you are asked to confirm if a pair of records is a duplicate. You can answer yes, no, or not sure. Training requires a minimum number of yes and no responses. After that number is reached, the Finish button will become available. Keep in mind you can always pause and return to this phase. For best results, try to have 5 positive and 5 negative responses multiplied by the quantity of fields in your model. In our example with 7 fields, 35 positive and 35 negative responses are recommended. Press the Confirm button to complete the training. Once the status changes to Trained, your model is ready to be assigned to datasets. There are a couple ways to do this. Here you can select the model and press Assign. Then choose the Datasets and the Assign button. Alternatively, the same can be done using the Dataset configuration window and the Trimmer module. That's basically it. The next time that your dataset is reanalyzed for duplicates, it will use this matching rule. For some additional topics on matching models, I encourage you to watch part 2 of this video. Matching models are a very powerful way to customize machine learning for the unique needs of your organization. If you're ready to get started, you can get a free trial of the app from the Datagroomr.com website, or you can always find us on the Salesforce App Exchange. Thanks for watching.